Lewat akunnya di media sosial Truth Social, Presiden Donald Trump mengatakan telah memerintahkan Departemen Keuangan Amerika Serikat untuk mengakhiri pembuatan uang kepingan 1 sen, yang dikenal di Amerika sebagai penny. Alasannya untuk efisiensi anggaran.
The cost of producing the penny itself is about 3.9 cents or just about 4 cents, which means that for every penny that the United States government prints, we're actually losing money. So it's a net cost to the federal government. This is what President Trump wants to eliminate. He wants to implement cost savings to the government by eliminating the penny from circulation.
Akibat inflasi, nilai 1 sen menjadi semakin tak bermakna. Selain itu, pola belanja warga terus bergeser.
We rely less and less on cash as now we're moving to a cashless society. People use credit cards and debit cards and so on. So the penny is actually not being used as much because we've moved away from cash. So it doesn't make as much sense to keep the penny around if it's not really serving a function.
Proposal mengakhiri pembuatan uang logam 1 sen menuai beragam respons. Ada yang setuju karena jarang menggunakan pecahan 1 sen, ada juga yang keberatan.
It's not necessary we need a change for work. Quarters and pennies, everything.
Since there are tax we have to include, most of the price usually winds up with let's say 106 or 107, and then we have to deal with the pennies.
Ada kekhawatiran penghilangan uang pecahan 1 sen bisa memperparah inflasi.
There's many prices that are listed out there that are $1.99 or end with 99 cents. These prices will now be rounded up to the nearest dollar, which means that most customers will end up paying 1 penny more than they were before, which in effect raises prices for consumers. Prices are hardly ever rounded down.
Pengamat juga mencermati bakal ada dampak lain.
Another interesting cost is that this increases the demand for the nickel, and the nickel actually costs a lot more to produce than the penny. It's almost 14 cents per nickel produced. So as we increase our reliance on nickels, because they're going to be the smallest unit, it actually is going to increase costs for the government. So it's really not clear how much cost savings the government will realize by eliminating the penny.
Koin 1 sen di Amerika Serikat dibuat dari bahan seng dicampur dengan tembaga dan sempat ada wacana untuk mengganti bahan bakunya agar bisa lebih ekonomis. Tapi wacana ini belum ada tindak lanjutnya. Sementara itu Amerika Serikat bisa belajar dari pengalaman negara-negara lain yang telah lebih dulu menghilangkan uang pecahan 1 sennya, termasuk Australia, Kanada, dan juga Selandia Baru. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.